to crack. Once you have a strategy of appearing for GATE examination, based on that, let us learn the tips and tricks to appear for GATE examination so that you can crack the exam easily. So what is the first tip? The first tip says, make note snippets. When you start preparing for the GATE examination, you find different subjects with different content, and you have, when you start adding the notes, it is a bundle of notes, and that bundle of notes will be good, but when you start revising a complete notes become complex. Instead of referring the complete notes, if you can make the important points as snippets, if you can make a small snippet of that notes, that short snippet will make you recall the complete content. So for revision aspects, make short notes and we call it as snippets. And point 2 will be revise similar or interconnected subjects parallelly. So with respect to many subjects you learn that subject A is linked to subject B, or subject B is dependent on subject C. So when there is some dependency, or when you find some concepts similar in one or two areas, it would be better if you can revise the concepts parallelly. In that case, you can save a lot of time and there will be a flow of revision also. So that's how we got to revise things. And I told that revision is a success mantra, so you can save a lot of time by identifying concepts that are identical or similar or interlinked, put them all in one place and start revising them with the help of the snippets. That would make things easy and you can have more time to focus on other things. Now going ahead, this is one important tip. Whenever you are preparing a concept, if you start working with complex concepts, you may find it, a point comes where you may not focus further. So for that to happen, if you can interweave complex concepts with easy or simple concepts, then that mix of subjects or that mix of concepts will make you feel better, so that you can focus more, you can give more time to yourself, you can prepare the content in an easier way. So the mix of complexness and easiness would make you to learn things at a faster rate. You will not be completely deviated, nor you cannot be completely engrossed in things. Now going ahead, we have a concept called as taking chapter wise test. Whenever you prepare a concept or a chapter in a particular subject, please note that never ever forget to solve the problems of that chapter with respect to the GATE examination, because only then you will know the level of understanding you had with respect to that concept. For example, if you learn the concept of operating systems in computer science engineering, you should immediately identify some chapters in that OS, and once you finish that chapter and that subject, start working the problems or the examples or the models of that topic in OS. Only then you will be finding it better. So never miss a chapter wise test. And this is one important thing called as solving previous year papers. When I say the word solving previous year papers, see, the pattern of GATE is never the same. So you will have a different set of problems being asked in different ways. The concept remains the same. In spite of the similar concept, you have the problems asked in different ways. There are different ways of asking a problem. So keeping that in mind, you can understand all the patterns or all the models only when you start solving them. So please solve the previous year papers. Never ever forget that. Okay. Now going ahead. Okay. Never miss a mock test. Never ever miss a mock test, because mock test will tell you how ready you are for the exam and you can evaluate yourself. And the last one is make out time by habits. See, preparing completely, sitting with books, machines won't help you out. You might be interested in something else, right? I strongly believe that a healthy body is a healthy mind. And give time to yourself, sleep well, eat well, take out some time for TV, pictures, whatever it is, time for friends. But see that the time for preparation is not being minimized. Give your habits some minimal time, but definitely give some time for them. Only then you get rejuvenated. Okay. So these are the tips to crack GATE examination. Thank you.